Hello, my name is Jamal Moubarak, and this is week 4, the final week of AVF 1308. Okay, this week was mashups. It was a pretty simple week because I pretty much kind of did the mashups the week before, so I just kind of fondled around with a couple things and got stuck on a couple things and and stuff like that. So pretty much right now, I'm gonna go ahead and I have my iPad mirroring onto this onto my MacBook right now. So I'll go ahead and I'm running it. Here we go. It's booting up right now. See my splash screen. Alright, and we're up. Alright, so pretty much what I did is the instructor asked me or left a comment that said, and in the video, or I mean in the go-to training, said that I should make my headers the same as my AVF demo. So I went through and I made my headers the same color. If you go into here, same color as my demo logo. One thing that I did have troubles with is when I do change the orientation, I could not figure out how to get this to go wide. So, I mean, I've tried, I've fought with it with media queries, all that good stuff, and I can't figure it out. It's something that I will most likely keep fighting with, just because I want to know why it's not working now, because I built another website for a client this week, and I was able to get it all to work. So something is wrong in my app that I need to fix it, but I still think it looks pretty good. So, no, so with this week was mashup. So with my mashups, I mean a couple different things. We have my geolocation pops up. There's my geolocation. There I am. Hey. All right. And then we have my in-app browser, which we could go into almost anything. One thing that I did do for this week that I did not have for last week is my Twitter. Because my Twitter, this is actually the API, and it should pop up on the screen. For some reason, if I go into a regular web browser, I could hit the refresh button, and the widget is actually in here. Here it's not. This link that I had right here did not work on an in-app browser, so it usually get me stuck, but now I fixed it to work on an in-app browser. So there is my Twitter page. Okay, go back to home. Another thing that I added besides the color this week is I had the loading icon right there, and then loads up. I fixed the headers right up on here. I fixed all these headers because they were dropped down a little bit, so I made it look a little bit cleaner, made it look a little bit nicer. I have a lot more posts this week because I've worked on my Facebook page, my business Facebook page, pretty hardcore this week. So plus also I built a web page for a client, a responsive web page. So I've had a very, very busy week. This right here, so, and then I also made my Instagram same way. You have your little loading icon. Instagram loads a lot faster. All right, then we'll go ahead and we'll shoot over here to my Android emulator that is very, very slow. So right now the AVF demo is loading. Here we are. Okay, we have our geolocation. This is man, I don't understand why, but this emulator is so slow. I don't know if I need to build another one, but it just seems like I could pretty much eat my lunch waiting for something to load. I mean, I clicked on this so long ago, it's just loading. It's, I don't know, it's not fun. But anyways, I ended up setting all this up. I got my loading icon, boom, 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 right there. And same thing with the colors on the headers and stuff like that. You can see the responsive design. It's nice and centered. And that is pretty much it for this week and this class. So I will see you guys in Apple programming. Thank you. Good night.